Okay guys, so on a second thought I decided to um, buy another domain just to show us how to do everything from scratch. You know, some people will say like be like um, I don't know how to go about it, I don't know how to buy a domain name and the rest of it, even after the explanation I gave. Like I said before, I've already bought a domain name for this course, you understand, and also paid for the hosting, but there are some um, in case you have any issue trying to pay, that's why I'm shooting this video. So I'll start afresh. So I said I've already told us um, uh, the domain hosting providers we can use. So one of them is Q servers. So come here on your browser, type Q servers. All right. So this is it. All right. Click on it. So this is it. This first one. All right. This first one. So I'll be a little bit fast, guys. This first one. Click on it. All right. Click on it. Click on it. So once it opens, the first thing you need to do is to search for a domain name. Once this pops out, just click this to close it. Then come down, search for a domain name. It depends on your brand. It depends on your brand and what you want to do. Maybe you want to, you're into hair, you're into affiliate marketing, you're into digital products, you're into shoes, whatever. You know your domain name, just coin it. So once you come here, let me look for another domain name that I've already searched for before. Talk with DG Creator. All right. Talk with DG Creator. All right. Then come here. Here now that I'm pointing this mouse. Change it to .com.ng. That is the cheapest for you for now. All right. That is the cheapest for you. So change it to .com.ng and then you click on what? Search. So you need to search for your domain name and check if it is available. As you can see, it said congratulations, dgcreator.com is available, and this domain name is for what? 1 year, for 1,000 naira. You can see, so you don't need too much money to to buy a domain name and to even host it. Just follow me, I will show you. To even host it, very cheap, I will show you. Okay, so once you have confirmed your domain name that it is available, so the next thing for you to do is to register on this site. All right, so come here, you register, because you need to register before you can buy. So come here, all right, click on register. All right, so click on register. So once you click on it, it will pop up some fields which you need to input: your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. You know, this phone number is in Nigerian code, so if you're watching outside Nigeria, you have to change this code to your country code. So all you need to do, if your phone number is 080, for example, 080, I know I'm saying all this, just remove the first 0, okay? Remove the first 0 and then start with 80. All right, then billing address, this is the ones that are optional, just leave them, don't waste your time. Street address, put your street address. If you have another street address, you can put it. All right, you can put it. Then you put your city, you put your state, then this postal code. Now if your city, maybe your city is what? Lagos, for example. All right, sorry, your city is maybe Surulere. I hope I'm correct. Surulere. All right, and then your state is maybe Lagos State. So you need to go and find the postal code of this Surulere. Just copy this Surulere, go to open a new tab, type postal code, okay, for the first Surulere, and then click on it. It will bring the postal code. So copy this 10011. All right, so that is what you input here for your postal code. So whichever city you are in, just do what I did here and then come back and paste the postal code. I hope we are clear. Then how did you find us? All those things you can put Google. GSM number, you put your GSM number. All right, so you put your GSM number here. You now put +234 and then type your phone number. All right, then you put your password and then confirm password. Remember that what you're putting here, remember that you have inputted your email. So what you use to log in now is your email and your password once you create this account. So once you put your password, confirm this password, all you need to do is to tick you are not a robot. Whatever comes out, you feel it, you tick it. All right, and then you tick I have read this terms and conditions and click on register, automatically your login details will be created for you, and then will be also be emailed to you. So I'm going to log in because I already have an account. I'm clicking login here, and then I'll input my email. As you can see, that my email and my password, and then I'll click what? Login. It will log me in. All right, it will log me in. So once it logs me in, what I need to do right now, as you can see, once you are logged in, you won't have anything here. All right, yours will be empty. Everything will be empty. Why? Because it is a fresh account. It is showing that they are offering me 2 services. And what are those 2 services? I have 2 domains with them and also a hosting. So that's why I have these 2 here. So you won't have anything here. So once you log in, what you need to do, all right, is to come to this domain. Come to these domains. All right, click on this domain. A pop down will come, and then you now click on what? Domain word search. You click on domain search. So once you click on domain search, remember that you are now logged in. You now type in that domain that you searched before that was available. Remember, mine was Talk with DG Creator. All right, and then it was at .com.ng, and then I'll click what? Search. Sorry, I made a mistake here. There's a U here. It's I. Talk with DG Creator. So I will search. All right. So as you can see, it pops up and says that congratulations, it is available. Now, the reason why I say you should choose .com.ng is because as a starter, it is cheaper for you and it works. There's no much difference. So if I click .ng, if I click this drop down now and click .ng, you see that this will change. If search, this will change to maybe 5,000 naira a year. All right, so you can see 5,000. So if you have money, you can just use, it's just unique .ng, you understand? So you can just do that. .com as well, you can see .com. If I click .com and click search, it will also show a different price, 9,900. So for a starter, you want to build up your business, I use .com.ng. It doesn't make .com.ng. Then you click on what? Search. You can see that talkwithdgcreator.com.ng is what? Available. So all I need to do is to come down. You scroll down, all right? Scroll down and then click on what? Continue. So this is, we are going to buy this thing now, starting from the scratch. So you need to follow me. So remember, I said something that you need to add hosting to it. If not, it will not. Once someone searches for this domain name, it will not come online. So come here. It says no hosting. All right. Click on what? Click add hosting. All right. Click add hosting. It has added hosting for me. So all you need to do is to what? Click on order now. Now there are different packs. You have starter pack for 900 naira monthly. You have business pack for 1,500 naira monthly. You're just starting, all right? You can start with 900 naira monthly. You click on what? Order now. So I'm going to just pay for this for a month, which is 900 naira, right? So you say use domain in already in your shopping cart. So this is the domain that is already on your shopping cart. So just click on what? Continue. Come down, click on what? Continue. All right? So it will open up. Click on continue to open up. All right. So once it opens up, as you can see, it is bringing out billing. It says 900 monthly. All right. So that is what I'm going to choose. But I'll advise you to choose this. All right. Choose 5,400 for biannually. But if you have money to pay for 1 year, for hosting for 1 year, do it. All right. It's cheap. It's super cheap. All right. So once you tick, if I tick here now, it will change. If I tick here, this, which is this 967 naira 50 kobo. If I tick this 2,700 now, you can see it has changed to 2,900. So I'm going to just tick this for 900 naira monthly just for this class, and then I will now click on what? Checkout. I think there is something I forgot to do. Let me go back. Go back. All right. So once you are here, Talk with DG Creator, I've added hosting. Just tick this, DNS management free. Please tick it. DNS management free. Tick it. All right. Tick it. Then you click on what? Continue. Click on continue. So once you click on continue, you come down. So you can see it has already calculated my checkout. So what it's trying to tell me is that this is what I'm going to pay, 1,290 naira. Remember those details, all my details are now what? Below. All my details are now what? Below. All my details are now what? Below. So all you need to do is to come down and also tick this. So remember that you have various options for payment. These are the various options. Automatically it is on Flutterwave. All right, automatically it is on Flutterwave. Sorry guys. Automatically it is on Flutterwave. You can decide to click on what? Paystack and make your what? Payment. All right, so let me try Paystack and see how it goes. Safe. So I'm going to change this to Paystack. Whichever one it will go, I'm going to take it to Paystack. And then the next thing is that I'll click I have read, all right, and agree to terms, and then I click on checkout. That is what I'm going to do. Or let me just let me leave it at Flutterwave. All right, let me leave it at Flutterwave, and then I click on what? Checkout. Take this and click on what? Checkout. Once you click on checkout, it will direct you to option for you to make what? Payment. So as you can see, it is asking me. This has started booting. Let us wait for it to boot. So now this is Flutterwave. This is the way Flutterwaves work. So all you need to do is to input your card number, input the valid till date, that is the date of expiration, and then your CCV, and then you click on pay now. Don't tick this, all right, if it's not your laptop or your phone. Click on pay now. You can also use USSD. If you click USSD, it will show you how to do it. If you click on bank, it will generate account number, all right, for you to make what? Payment. It will generate an automatic account number. You'll be directed to complete this payment. Once you click proceed, it will generate an account number for you to make what? Payment. You can also use barter, but use these three: card, USSD, or bank. So card is always, the site is secured, so there's nothing like your card being compromised. So I'm going to click on what? Card, and then I'll pause this video and input my details, and then click automatically on pay now. Because I'm in incognito mode, I can't blur this area. So I'm going to pause this video, input my card details, input this validity date, that is the month and year my card will expire, and then my CCV. Then this CVV, is the 3-digit numbers at the back of your card. The 3-digit number at the back of your card. So if you click on this, what is this? It will also show you, as you can see, it's showing the 3 numbers at the back of your card. So I'm going to do that right away and pay with my card. So I've imputed my details and I've clicked pay. As you can see, it is booting. It is booting. Okay, it popped an error and said that we currently cannot complete this transaction at the moment. Please try a different card. So I'm going to try a different card. I'll try a different card now. So I imputed another card and it worked. You know, sometimes these people, even the whole thing I'm dodging not to expose my card, I've already exposed it. So I'm waiting for the OTP that will be sent for me to complete this transaction. All right. So I'm waiting for the OTP. So once the OTP drops, let me check my mail. Sometimes it takes time. OTP takes time to drop. So I'm going to check my OTP right now and then input it. Okay, sorry, this is no tip. They're asking me to enter my card PIN. Okay, all right, sorry. They're asking for me to enter my card PIN and not OTP. So I'm going to enter my card PIN. So I'm entering the card PIN, all right. So it will boot up if it's correct, and then an OTP will now be sent to me, all right. So an OTP will be sent to me. So let us check for the OTP. The OTP is here. Let's input the OTP, all right. 78, all right. So I've inputted the OTP, then you click on confirm OTP. It's as simple as that. It's a very simple. Say thank you for your payment. Your transaction was completed successfully. Just hold on for this page to boot completely. It will take you back to your client area. So thank you for your order. You will receive confirmation email shortly. Your order number is, all right. So you can now click here to go to your client area. So as you can see now, it is telling me that I have 3 domains, all right. 3 domains and 2 services. This service will change to 3, all right. It will change to 3. Okay, so that is just how to, that is how to pay to buy a domain. All right, so next thing is that once you do this, an email will be sent to you with what is called a cPanel. All right, now the cPanel is what you will now use to log in and install WordPress into your site. All right, so if I go back to my mail right now, if I go to my mail, let me go to my mail. Okay. This is my email right now. All right, this is my email. You can see domain registration. I've seen domain registration, as you can see. All right, you can see that I've paid for a domain for 1 year. All right,